Hey guys, here I'll teach you how to make an endless runner. So first of all, we need to make the ground and tile background works best. So let's take a tile background and I have downloaded an art asset from opengamer.org. So we will use this tile and I'll stretch it. I'll give it a behavior, solid behavior because it will act as our, the ground. The player will be a platformer. So we need to give it a solid behavior. And we need it to scroll indefinitely. So in the event sheet, every tick, the ground, let's set the image x offset, self set minus a speed, let's see with 5. Yes, as you can see, it's working. Now I need to make the, okay, let's make the player. So we'll use the sprite. Now there is no layer sprite specifically in this asset, so I'll use this dice. It looks like a face, like two eyes and a mouth. Yeah, so I'll call it layer and I'll give it a platform behavior. However, I do not want the default controls because I don't want that left and right movement. I just want it to jump. So I'll enter this mouse object because I want it to jump uh, using the mouse click. So on click, player will simulate control the jump control. Yes, it's working. I'll put the player a little bit to the left. Now I need the obstacles. So for the obstacle, I will be using the trees. I have seen trees in this asset pack. So this tree will size it down. Now we'll give a bullet behavior to the tree because I want it to move it from right to left, and the bullet behavior works. I think it will work perfectly. I will uncheck this set angle. Now I need to test it with the speed. So first of all, I need to change the angle of motion of this tree because by default it will go towards the right side. That is the angle 0. So at the start of the layout, I'll make this. Okay, I need to rename it first. So start of the layout, the tree, set angle of motion. It will be 180. So now let's see. I think the tree is too fast. So let's change this speed to 300. Yes, now as you can see, it is the speed is same as the speed of the ground. So it looks the tree is is the part of the ground. So I need this tree to be spawning at a random interval. So I need a spawner, so tree spawner. I just keep it red color because we will not see this corner, obviously. It will be outside of the layout. So let's do this at every x seconds. Now I want this to be a random second. So random, let's say from 1 to 5 seconds. So random 5 plus 1. So basically this will give from 1 to 5 seconds. So from every random 1 to 5 second, I need to rename this sprite to spawner. The spawner will spawn another object, and that is the tree. And also the tree, we have to set the angle of motion to 180 because otherwise the new trees will go towards the right side. Yes, the position of the tree is not proper, so we have to set it. However, this program is working. I'll put it a little bit upwards. Okay, perfect. Also, I need to destroy these trees, otherwise, it will take up a lot of memory. So I just make another sprite called the destroyer. I just make another sprite called destroyer. And it has a very simple function. Tree on collision with a destroyer, tree is destroyed. So yeah. And just to end the game, if the player is colliding with the tree, the player gets destroyed. Yes. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.